In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a contact in Smartsheet, step by step. If your Smartsheet contact list is getting cluttered with old email addresses, inactive users, or duplicate contacts, cleaning it up can make collaboration much smoother. This is a quick and easy process once you know where to look. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to smartsheet.com. Make sure you're logged into the Smartsheet account where the contact you want to delete exists. Once you're logged in and on the Smartsheet dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon, which usually appears as your initials or profile picture. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option called My Smartsheet Contacts. This section is where Smartsheet stores all the contacts you've interacted with, including collaborators, shared users, and manually added contacts. Go ahead and click on My Smartsheet Contacts to open the Contacts Management page. Once the Contacts page loads, you'll see a list of all saved contacts associated with your account. Take a moment to scroll through and find the contact you want to remove. You can also use the search bar if you have a long list and want to quickly locate a specific name or email address. When you find the contact you want to delete, click to select that contact. Depending on your interface, you may see options appear at the top or next to the selected contact. Look for the Delete option, which is usually represented by a trash can icon or a delete button. Click on Delete to remove the selected contact. Smartsheet may ask you to confirm the action to make sure you really want to delete the contact. Confirm the deletion, and the contact will be removed from your Smartsheet contacts list. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact in Smartsheet. This does not delete the user's Smartsheet account or remove them from shared sheets automatically, but it does clean up your personal contacts list and helps keep things organized. If this video saved you time or helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials, productivity tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.